All natural human-grade dog treats create high-quality, limited-ingredient biscuits using ingredients like peanut butter, pumpkin, or sweet potato. Customers pay a premium for guaranteed safe, healthy ingredients. Baking the Best Friend Treat, a step-by-step guide. You're right. People treat their pets like family, and they are absolutely willing to pay more for treats they know are 100% safe, healthy, and all natural. Let's walk through the process of turning your simple idea into a high-quality product that earns that premium price tag. Phase 1, perfecting your recipe and gathering supplies. Think of this phase as the foundation. Your brand promise is simple. Human-grade, limited ingredients. Every item you use has to be good enough for you to eat. Choosing your core ingredients. We'll start with the classic and beloved pumpkin and peanut butter blend. Keep the list short. That's the selling point. The dough base, flour. For a premium product, skip standard white flour. Oat flour, just finely ground rolled oats, is fantastic because it's often better tolerated by sensitive pups. Alternatively, you can use whole wheat flour if you're comfortable with that being your grain. The flavor and moisture. Pumpkin. You need 100% pure pumpkin puree. Be absolutely certain it is not pumpkin pie filling. Pie filling is loaded with spices and sugar that dogs don't need. The star flavor, peanut butter. This is the most critical safety check in your whole operation. You must use only natural, unsweetened peanut butter made from just peanuts. Look at the label. It must not contain xylitol or birch sugar, which is highly toxic to dogs. Scrutiny here is non-negotiable. The binder, egg. A simple egg or two works perfectly to hold the dough together, offering a natural protein boost without the need for water or dairy. Mixing up your test batch. The secret to a good biscuit is a high ratio of wet, flavorful stuff, pumpkin, peanut butter to dry flour. This makes the treats more appealing and less like bland crackers. Start by mixing your wet ingredients first. Gradually add the flour until you have a thick, firm dough that isn't overly sticky and can hold its shape. Don't worry about being precise right away. You'll adjust the flour amount until it feels right for rolling. If you want a sweet potato variant, simply swap the pumpkin for a plain, well-mashed, boiled, or baked sweet potato. Again, keep it pure. No skin, salt, or butter. Documentation is your friend. Since you are making the human-grade promise, you need to back it up. Source ingredients from places that supply human food restaurants or grocery chains. Keep all your receipts and ingredient bags. You need a paper trail for every single batch, especially for the peanut butter, to prove it was xylitol-free. This documentation is your guarantee of quality and compliance. Phase 2, baking, drying, and quality control. Now we turn the dough into crunchy, shelf-stable treats. The main goal here is removing every speck of moisture to ensure a long, natural shelf life. Making the dough. In a big, clean bowl, first mix your wet ingredients, pumpkin, peanut butter, egg, until they look uniform and creamy. Slowly mix in your flour until you have a stiff dough. Be careful not to overwork the dough, especially if using wheat flour, as that can make the treats tough. Shaping and cutting. Lightly dust your clean surface or parchment paper and roll the dough out evenly. For that satisfying hard crunch that customers expect, aim for about 1 to 4 to 1 inch thick. Consistency ensures everything bakes at the same rate. Use cute, recognizable cookie cutters, bones, paws, or hearts, and transfer them carefully to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Baking and drying, the preservation trick. Bake. Pop them into a preheated oven around 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes or until they're firm and starting to turn golden brown. Dry, dehydrate. This is the most important step for shelf life. Drop the oven temperature way down to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit and let them dry out for an extra 1 to 2 hours. They are done when they are rock hard and brittle. Cooling, remove them and cool them completely on a wire rack. Any leftover heat or moisture needs to escape before they go into storage. The all-important quality check. Before you package anything, you must confirm they are perfect. The snap test. Take a few treats and break them. They must snap cleanly. If they bend or feel chewy, they need more time in the drying oven. Moisture is the enemy of shelf life. The look. Only package the treats that look perfect. No burnt edges, no cracks. Your premium brand deserves consistency. Phase 3, premium packaging and profit. Your packaging is what sells the premium price. It needs to be clear, attractive, and completely honest. Storage. Store your fully cooled and dry treats in airtight containers in a cool, dark, dry place. Never refrigerate crunchy biscuits, as that can make them soft and ruin the snap. Proper drying gives them months of shelf life. Labeling, safety and sales. Your label is a legal document and it's your primary marketing tool. It must scream safe. Use high-quality resealable bags or containers. Mandatory label items. You need to clearly list the product name, net weight, and a full ingredient list in descending order by weight, e.g., oat, flour, pumpkin puree. The guaranteed analysis. To legally sell pet food commercially, you usually need lab testing to verify the nutritional content, protein, fat, fiber, moisture. Your brand promise. Boldly state your key selling points. All natural, limited ingredient, and made with human-grade ingredients. Pricing smart. First, calculate your cost of goods sold, COGS, per treat or per bag. This includes ingredients, packaging, and the time labor it took to make them. To run a sustainable premium business, your selling price should generally be 3 to 4 times your COGS. This covers marketing, distribution, and most importantly, profit. Marketing your message. Your focus must always be on safety and health. Use copy that resonates with worried pet parents. No mystery ingredients. Just 5 simple, wholesome items. Baked with love and zero preservatives, fillers, or additives. Xylitol-free guarantee. By strictly following these steps, from choosing the right flour to passing the SNAP test, you build a brand that commands trust and justifies every dollar of that premium price.